Everyone, my name is Seung Hwan and I'm with Swift Engine. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to send an email with Swift Engine. Sending email with Swift Engine is very simple. You just need to know a couple things to make this happen. When trying to send an email, you need to configure headers. I will show you how to do that with actual code just in a second. So log in. If you don't have an account with Swift Engine, make one and then create or order new services so that you have a product. And I already have one. It's called tutorials. I'm going to create a new file called email. And our extension file name is .ssp. And here is where you type your lovely Swift code, and within the bracket actually things will happen. So I'm gonna first create or really import a foundation and create a function called send email, because after all what we're trying to do today is to send an email from string, and then it will take headers, reply to. So this reply to indicates where the reply will be sent to. So I'm just gonna send it back to someone who sent the email, which is from, and then you're gonna have xmailer. And xmailer is of course Swift Engine, because we're using Swift Engine service. And other things are very self-explanatory, but as I code through, I'll try to explain more. Mail send is the function we have to from, and then subject, it's going to be test. Message is going to be test message, and then additional headers, it's going to be headers. This is way too long. We're gonna jump it to the next line. And response. So when we successfully send a message, we're gonna have print out a response saying email was successfully sent. So we need a get method to handle it. So we're gonna use request add handler. If you don't know what request add handler is, you can check out my video on RESTful API on Swift Engine, and I explicitly explain how to configure this with route. And this is where you indicate really how many inputs or what you're trying to do. And I'm gonna take 2 inputs. So if I don't have 2 inputs, it's gonna throw an error saying, hey, get some input or something, you know. Route params. Route params is basically going through every input and then just doing whatever you're trying to do with it. Send email, it's going to take the string of describing the 2. So RP2, that's how you approach the input. I'm just gonna copy and paste up to here, and then from. All right, let's try to compile this first. Email.ssp, I think, right? It should give an error at first because there's no input, but what if we put input? So my email address is seung@swiftengine.io. If you guys have any questions, send it through that. So we have 2 inputs there. Let's see if I got an email. Oh, that's not what it is. Gmail.com. I'm already logged in. So yes, I got an email. You want to see if it sends again? Let's check it out. Yes, test message. Thank you for watching the video. See you guys in other tutorials.